Hello. I'll put it right here. So let's get ready to the beach. We need to pack first, right? We need to pack our stuff. I'm trying to keep things to 2 bags if possible, but we need 3 things. We need the tote bags and we need the beach bag, which has the towels and stuff, and then we need food. So we're gonna get ready. My toddler is just staring at me. What? Yeah, we're gonna go do something at the beach. Yeah. I've told you not inside the house, please. Now you have to stay outside. Let's prepare the schnackers. Coolant. You'll have ice cream after the beach, okay? I don't have a particular way of packing snacks here. As you can see, I'm just literally packing anything we have available and just putting it in small containers and taking it to the beach. Flino, please close the peanut butter now. Flino, you have your toast with peanut butter. Go eat that. And like every other day, I've already lost my shit. It's not even 9 a.m. Classic. But basically, I made a toast with peanut butter like you requested, and then I decided that it was better to just steal the peanut butter jar. So yeah, and that's it. Okay, well, moldy biscuits. Celebratory coffee drink. Alright, full disclosure, the main reason I am doing this whole vlog is to prove to myself that I can do these things on my own, because I get filled up with anxiety and overwhelmed feelings when I'm alone, and I feel like I can't do anything by myself with my toddler. Toy bag. So today we're celebrating that. Celebrating I got out of the house. And last but not least, that I actually remembered this time before leaving, to get the armbands so he can swim in the sea. There we are. Very clumsy. And then I get frustrated at my toddler that he's clumsy. Clumsy? Clumsy. Because people are always frustrated at me from being clumsy. Can I, girl, just not be clumsy? Come on. Yes, go eat so we can go. Yeah. Go. Quickly. Now it's time to get dressed. Look at how slick that was. And appreciating all bodies, you know, wiggles, jiggles, no matter what. It's just a body and we're all different, and a bit of love, that it's all we need. Yeah, it took me 3 hours to choose this outfit. And then I put it backwards and it looks exactly the same. Anyway, after this, we just took the car and drove to the beach. I didn't record any of that because, you know, driving and stuff. So yeah. You ready? Bonjour. Bonjour. Yeah, all the toys are in there. Yeah? And then back there. Do you want me to take your armband? Yeah. Okay. You carry the rest. Thanks. Trying to play with. I'm trying to play on sand. I'm not going to pool. Yeah. Yeah, but we're gonna go swimming too. No? Then we play on sand, then we go to pool. Okay. I'm not scared. You're not scared? I'm going to control myself with it. Okay. Wait, there's a car here. Okay? I'll do it later. You will. Mommy, what are you surfing on the water? Yeah. Yes, go close, all the way to the front, to the water. I think this is the first time we've ever come to the beach that he's just happy to be in the water on his own and just doing his thing. So I'm enjoying the sunshine at this point. So someone convinced me to go get some ice cream. Okay. Take this. Alright.
Now go fish.
Where?
There.
Oh, you want me to switch down the swing too? Alright. Got him a blue drink. I don't know what it is. It's blue. You're going round and round. You're going round and round. I got the blue drink. He didn't drink. Oh no. We got sand in our chips. Didn't we? Didn't we, Flino? Yeah. We're gonna shake the sand off. Do this and clean off the sand. There you go. Now it's good to eat. And now it's melted and we still don't like to drink, so the drink is going in a bit. So, but we learned our lesson, didn't we? Do one hole for yourself and I do one hole for me?
Yeah.
Biggest thing in the world. Oh my god. Watch Mark. Oh, he's given up. With the hands? My hole's getting big. We moved on to grapes, but the grape. Oh, Lord. He dropped the grape in the water. He dropped it again. What happened? Are you gonna wash it? There it goes. All good? All washed? Excuse me, calm down. I need to feed you the grape. Why? Well, your hands are dirty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is seawater good for you? I hope so. Some whale pee. There's omega-3. Just comes from seawater rather than fish. Because sea algae have some, right? So hopefully he's getting the nutritional values coated around these grapes. These trees are vibrant and look like Malibu Beach. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that. We made a hole.
Mommy, do you have me?
Okay. Watch your head. Head up, head up. Just finished with the beach and now we're going to
Shop.
yes we're going shopping. Grab the essential beer, chocolates, and obviously flour. Okay.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, so this bit here must go like that on the hand. Go, on there, over there. If you saw my toddler having a meltdown because of strawberries at the self-checkout, no you didn't. We actually are quite lucky with our toddler because once he's asleep, he's asleep. It's only very rarely that he will wake up and then won't go back to sleep. Here he did wake up and he did say that he didn't want to go to sleep, but I did manage to get him back down, so it was an all-win situation today. Sweating. But this is it, and that is the end of it, of our day. Well, morning really, because it's 1:30. So, well, thank you so much for tagging along, and all in all, it was a really great outing. Yes, we had some tears and I mean, some things that we had to deal with, but it wasn't as bad as, you know, one always expects. So I'm very pleased about that. And he had fun, and he arrived sleeping, which is a great thing, and he stayed. I managed to get him to keep sleeping, which is good, so now I get to catch up some work and probably edit this video. But anyway, thank you for making this far, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Oh, I will add more stuff into the description, like shit that I forgot and stuff like that that I don't remember right now, and also some links of anything that we have used today, so make sure to check it out as well.